What is up, guys? Good evening. Hope you're all doing well. It's currently right now just about to be 10 o'clock, Sunday evening right now, and we're just going to do our weekly analysis review. Analysis, review for this coming up week. So, currently, you can see how we opened up with this big gap due to some news related things that are going on. Apparently, with what was going on with Trump and the tariffs that he placed within the in Europe. So that had to do something with this gap down in the market right now. So uh, basically gives us an idea of what we're expecting to see within the market. I'm actually happy seeing this because clearly we've been in such a consolidation within this higher time frame. So if I go on the daily specifically, like it's been really messy, right? We've been generating liquidity on both sides of the market. So I would personally like to see some relevant swing point being taken out, which is specifically why I have this one marked the Friday of January 2nd. So that's something to keep an eye on right now, and we want to see how we react off this. If we can manipulate, or if we fail to manipulate and we continue going lower to back to this relevant swing point, or I would highly doubt it right currently, but back to November's Friday 21st of November, this relevant low right here. So yeah, we're just taking it day by day, guys. That is something what I'm currently looking at right now. We can base maybe most likely off a midweek reversal if we do get that idea that we're looking for, a manipulation off this relevant low to continue higher, because you can see we still left these equal highs here in the on NQ specifically. So I personally don't see us leaving that and then retracing and just reversing to go lower. I feel like we're just been generating liquidity here, and now I feel like this move down back to this relevant low is going to be the liquidity that it needs to come back up to these relative equal highs here, specifically this one, and maybe we can go back to all-time high. Right now, it's just been a little difficult just because of all this news that's been going on lately with like tariffs, Iran, and what's going on with China too, and Venezuela. So, a lot going on around the world. First month of the new year, so it's been a little crazy, but it's something that's not surprising and has happened within the past couple of years as well. Um, but yeah, I definitely long term do see us retracing much lower. It's bound to happen, guys. You can see how far we've been coming up since April, and now with us being in a big premium within the range of this low to this high, you could see how, like how we look at it intraday, when we see a consolidation, you want to see us expand on one side to manipulate and for us to continue going lower, right? Same thing what happened last year, guys. Look what last year did. Same kind of movement we're getting now like last year. You can see how it is, right? Once we got that manipulation, and imagine it didn't hit all-time high. So that's why I'm a little I'm looking at this because I feel like this is enough liquidity to manipulate for us to move lower. And then you can see how we did that here, took out these relative equal highs here, and then this was during February too. We just expanded lower, taking out what these relative equal highs, lows right here. So it's something very similar is cooking up to what last year did. And I'm not saying that we're at a top. I'm just basing it off what, like, I can say history, back to what last year did. And again, it is bound to happen because due to the fact that we've been expanding since April of last year, as you can see on my mark right here, since specifically Wednesday, the 9th of April 2025. So we've just been expanding, taking out these highs and making all-time highs, and then just basically ending off the new year, just consolidating now. So um, just giving you an like a bigger picture. That's all I'm saying. But currently within this week, if we look at the weekly right now, you could see we've just been consolidating here as well, right? So we're bound to see like a relevant swing point, which this is considered one, and then you can see this one right here. That's all I'm looking at right now. That is basically my bias right now, is if we fail to manipulate this one, we're coming back to this one. So that's all I'm looking at right now. There's nothing else to make it more complicated. This is just basically simple, just looking to where liquidity is at and to where the market is trying to draw into before we can see, most likely maybe see a nice manipulation, a specific reversal, like a C2 candle closure, something that you want to just see, basically something like this with the body. Because I have this stupid magnet thing. Oh, it doesn't even work. Oh, whatever. You get the point, guys. Something like that. Something like that, right? Just closing back within the range of this specific range, right? From this low to this high, you want to see that, and then most likely in the intraday, you want to see like an expansion with an expansion, a nice change in the state of delivery, and for us to get that confirmation for us willing to continue going higher. So I'll be eyeing that out based off, like I said, with the maybe most likely a midweek reversal if we do get it, or unless we just continue expanding lower, retrace lower, and then continue going back to this relevant swing point right here. If we look at our news right now on Forex Factory, yeah, like I said before, the 10% tariffs on Europe, including France and UK and Denmark. Basically what's driving the market lower, and I'm not surprised. Gold hits new record highs, clearly. Not surprised at all. So tomorrow, no trades at all, guys. Enjoy the day off. Clearly we have a bank holiday tomorrow. It's Martin Luther King Day, from what I recall, for America. Here in Canada, where it's just a normal day for us, we do have some news going on into a Canadian CPI. I'm curious onto what that comes out to. Other than that, day two doesn't really. I don't know about these delete. I don't even know what this is, to be honest. Am I able to click on this? Why can I not click on it? Oh, sorry. Gotta click on this. Are held in individuals are intended by central bankers, prime ministers, finance, trade ministers, and business from all 90 countries. Interesting. This might make the markets a little. Oh wow, we even have it on Wednesday too. Wow, this is a whole week. Not really sure about this, to be honest, guys. This could be it's like those OPEC meetings where it can really mess up the market, just make it a little more difficult. So you could see how we have that on Tuesday. We have Trump speaking on Wednesday as well. And then we have some pending home sales at 10 a.m. Core PCE, final GDP as well, all at 8:30 on Thursday. And we have some on Friday as well, flash manufacturing. So some good news coming for this week. Not bad for volatility, but I'm a little iffy with this. This could make the market a little tricky. So we're just gonna have to take it day by day, guys. That's basically what it is. We'll see how price plays out tomorrow. I'm not sure if it's a short day tomorrow, if it's gonna close early tomorrow, but we'll see what the market does tomorrow within the price action. Let's see if it actually maybe attacks this low by tomorrow. I do see it, but who knows? We can maybe just most likely, let's look at the 4 hour. We'll maybe just probably retrace slowly back up to this gap to continue going lower. That's another possibility too. So yeah, we're just gonna have to take it day by day, guys. Like I said, no trading tomorrow. Just avoid it. enjoy your day off, and we'll be back on Tuesday to see what it does. Other than that, guys, stay safe, take care, have a good night, and we'll talk soon.